you ready to count, sing, and have fun together? Let's start our counting adventure! Look up! Here is Sunny the sun! There is only one happy sun. Let's count together. 1. Great job, kids! One sun. O-N-E, one. Uh-oh. Who is swimming in the pond?
It's Danny Duck and Donnie Duck.
Let's count them. 1 and 2. Happy ducks. T-W-O, 2. Who is hiding there? Look! 3 playful kittens are having fun. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 cute kittens. T-H-R-E-E, 3.
Look at Andy the apple tree!
Let's count 4 red apples on the tree. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4 yummy apples. F-O-U-R, 4.
Nighttime. Look at the sky. 5 little stars are twinkling. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shining stars. F-I-V-E, 5. Jump! Jump!
Who is that?
6 frogs are jumping. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumping frogs. S-I-X, 6. Wow! Look at the balloons! So many colors and happy smiling balloons. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colorful balloons. S-E-V-E-M, 7. Hello, I am Willy the spider. I have 8 legs. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little legs. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Let's go under the water.
Look! 9 swimming fish.
Let's count them together.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 happy fishes. N-I-N-E, 9.
It's party time!
Count the candles. 1 to 10.
10 candles for Benny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. T-E-N, 10.
You did it! You counted from 1 to 10. Great counting, superstar! See you next time! Bye-bye! Baby G, learn